Alright, so we got the bobcat in. Zero turn. It's the cat. Let's see. CRZ 52, which I'm sure applies to the 62 and the 48 or 42. Got the Kawasaki engine here. Kind of got a late start recording. So we're going to do the carburetor. Somebody stuck, I think, 3 bottles of RTV on everything. Manifold or intake covered in this stuff. So basically, disconnect all your lines. You got to drop this back shield and remove your air filter, your linkages. Pretty self-explanatory. Also, going to be doing a starter solenoid. Make sure you disconnect your battery. Honestly, before you do any of this, I would recommend you disconnect your battery. If not, I'm not liable. Got to go through my phone and show you what it's recording. I think we got a problem, Rob.
This hitch does not line up. The hole is way off.
Is that the right carb?
No.
It ain't. Oh my goodness. Alright, well look. Here's it's an FR 651V. Okay, so that's why. See if you can pull it up on Amazon. We'll just save that carburetor, I guess.
You said this is the what?
651V, see right here?
FR 651V.
Yeah, I thought it was the 541 or whatever it was, so I guess this is a bigger engine.
I'm trying Amazon first.
Yeah. Well, if you just type it in Google, it'll pick up where they got it at.
Yeah, I can.
Oh. Guys, make sure you get the right card, because I ordered the wrong one. Thought it would fit this model, but it didn't. So we're also doing the starter solenoid here. Let's see what I can do. Where you can see what's going on this side.
We went to see Sonia's sister the other day, and they had the motorcycle out, right? I'm sitting in the car. This was the other, like 4 or 5 days. I'm sitting there, and they had the lights on the motorcycle, and they was sitting there. I'm looking. I'm sitting in the car waiting for Sonya to get back in the car, and I'm like, man, that motorcycle looks familiar. I was like, God, that motorcycle looks so familiar. Well, I didn't think nothing about it, so the other day we went back over there, and the motorcycle's still sitting in the same spot. I walk on the motorcycle, and guess what it is? Same one like you got, the Suzuki Intruder. Exact same fucking motorcycle.
Yeah, the Boulevard looks like that, and then the
yeah, this one got the same markers on it, or the Velusa or whatever.
Yeah.
Intruder, whatever on it. It's got the same everything.
You know, if it was an 800, they make
an 800.
Oh, it was, because they make a Boulevard 1500, I think. Looks a lot
he
like
said he gave 2200 for it. It was an 04. What year is yours?
It's an 04 or 06. I think it's an 06. I gave 15 for mine with only 14,000 miles on it.
Yeah, somebody got him on this one, man. I mean, it's a nice motorcycle, but it's not.
Not like that nice.
No, like he had something special or something. He took Ariana for a ride on it. $35 on eBay. But this one looks like the same carburetor.
I know it does.
It is the same carburetor.
Make sure it says the 6.
See? No, this FS.
Yeah, that's what I got.
No, FR. It goes for FR 651V to FS 651V. Engine 15004-0828, 15004-7062, 15004-0986. That's the same as that carburetor you got in the box right there.
Yeah, see that comes with that shit too. How much is that for?
$35. $35.89.
Yeah. See if you can find that one on Amazon, because they can get it here a little bit faster.
I swear it looks like the same carburetor.
It might be. Hell of a place to put the starter solenoid right here.
All of these are on eBay.
Take and copy and paste it on Amazon.
One in Team for $12.26.
Well, I ain't gonna do too much. I would probably go to the mower shop and get it, but I think it's probably a couple $100 there.
Right here it is for Amazon. $36.99. This one comes with the cleaners and everything on it. It's got I'm talking about the little
Air cleaner?
airbrush, the little brushes that go in the little holes and shit. They're right there.
Oh yeah, that's just like a what's it called? Car cleaner kit.
There's one for $22. Be here Wednesday, July 30th.
I gotta find one that'll get here by tomorrow, at least tomorrow. And I told him I'd have it ready by today, which I thought I had the right carburetor, honestly. I didn't realize they changed them all up like they did.
There's one right there for $16.89. Swear to God, they don't look right though, man. They look just like this one. Just fucking like it. No, it's a little bit different. I see the holes are different. I don't know how you look at it. See what you think.
It's not gonna be. It doesn't look any different. I know it don't. It's just those holes.
The holes, yeah.
They're just spaced a little farther apart. So.
Yeah, I mean, I know
That's my bad.
The base carburetor itself is going to look the same. I'm talking about like, seem like this will be something. I mean, but I guess I can see what you're saying. It's just the holes are going to be a little
Spaced a little further apart.
Yeah.
That's for like Terry's engine. Or either it might work on a few other models. I don't know. But right now, it ain't working on the one we need it to. That's for sure.
definitely.
This thing needs a big old relay like the ones on the old Fords. This old lawnmower relay ain't gonna do no justice here. Especially if he's got to spin it, spin it, spin it.
Ain't gonna keep burning it up.
Well, I hope it don't, but it might. Oh boy. So everything's tucked back here. It's going to be hard for you guys to see, but we're going to be doing the pumps on here too, not replacing them. We're going to clean them, flush them out. The pump over here, we're going to be doing a wheel or axle seal. The customer is going to bring, I believe, the seal, and we got to replace a pulley on the deck, an idler. When we ordered this other carburetor, maybe a two-part video, because I tried to do the video on the Echo, and it ended up being, like I said, a little longer than what I expected. And anyway, I couldn't get it loaded. Obviously, it said 4 gigabytes. If the video's over, I don't know, 30 minutes long, it ain't gonna take it. So I had about 90 minutes of a video. I tried to squeeze the carburetor and the coil in there, and 2 machines. They were both identical. I was trying to show what one would do and what the other one would do.
When the carburetor does get here.
We definitely got enough stuff to keep us busy until I got to keep him at bay until stick. I tell you, man, that's not cool. I think that was about a $25 carburetor. I don't know. But it's just the shit how the shop gets packed up and stuff right here. But I guess it was my fault. I should have found that number, just assuming by the cover. I thought it was like Terry's, and I figured it was going to be the same damn thing, and it wasn't. Back in a few minutes whenever you're ready. Get some working so we roll it back outside.
I'm just gonna slide all this stuff on there.
this up to me. I'll stick my bolts in there. Alright. We ain't got to tighten them up, just make sure we don't lose the bolts.
Yeah.
Oh man. Alright, there you go. Dang it. I'm gonna put this back down. I don't think anything's gonna rain in there, but alright, so we bought the wrong carb and we're gonna replace that. I'm gonna try to, I guess I'll just keep this video, or I may post this part 1, but where are we at on the time? Like I said, I can't go over 30 minutes, and we are, I can't tell. I don't know how far we are in the video here, but anyway, we're going to take a break on this guy, and we're just going to come back to it here in a day or so and finish up the carburetor. We may clean up a few more things on it, but other than that, nice. Don't you love that magnetic set? Alright. E4. This is the old funky thing right here. It's that inverted torques. I don't know why that's in there. Anyway. Quarter. Sorry. 932. 732. Swivel. That's why it tipped, because we got all them damn things in there.
I was trying to find where the fuck these two right here.
They went to the back right there, remember? Right here, like this. Right there.
Oh yeah, okay.
You got,
So where the fuck did the
the bolt go? I don't know, you took it apart there, house.
no, one of them went in right here.
Oh.
I have them all sitting right here.
There it is. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And use a magnetic tray, guys. That way when you kick one bolt, you kick them all. You don't just lose one, you lose them all. 30 seconds. We're missing 3/8 and 10.
The 3/8 I think is on here. It's the 5/16.
I got 3/8.
10 is on the little rack right there.
We got them all back there. Most of them. Alright, I'll set this stuff up here. We're going to go right back to using it again on this other side. I think I broke my damn stool out. Big mistake. Okay, well. Alright on this guy. Cow. I think I got the part number down over there. Alright, we're going to wrap this one up. We'll get back to you guys. Oh, we've been on here 20 minutes, so this will have to be a part 1. Then we'll come back to install the carb.